If you have issues with the Play Store in which you are stuck on pending while trying to download an app, let me show you what you can do. So if you have the Play Store opened, you want to completely close it. So you can, for example, go to the list of background apps and you can just close it over here. But also in addition to that, we can force stop the app as well. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger on the app in the home screen and I can tap on this eye icon to go to the app info. And then over here at the bottom right, sorry, the bottom left corner, we can find force stops. If you can use it, then of course you want to use it to force stop the app. After that, you want to disable your Wi-Fi and mobile data if you use that as well. And most of the time, the reason why you might be stuck on pending is due to the automatic date and time or time zone, and actually the lack of the automatic date and time zone. So if you open settings and scroll down and then go to additional settings, then in here we should be able to find the date and time. So you want to make sure that date and time is set to be automatic, and of course the time zone should be automatic as well. Once you set it up, you want to simply turn the Wi-Fi back on or the mobile data, depending what you use, and then you can try to go back to the Play Store and try to download your app, whichever app you wanted to get. If this didn't help, you can of course restart your phone as well. You want to open the power menu and just quickly reboot your phone, and this can be quite helpful as well. Or you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network if it is possible, of course. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.